Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share how I created this look using affordable products and affordable makeup brushes. Yes, I'm using Coastal Scents makeup brushes that they very generously sent to me along with a lot of other Coastal Scents products. So yeah, let's get this video going and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and let's begin. So this is the Coastal Scents eye brushes, eyeshadow, like face brushes and eyeshadow brushes palette that I'm going to be using. So firstly, I'm going to take this flat foundation brush, and I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I'm going to kind of just spread the foundation all over my face and quickly run a beauty sponge over it to kind of smooth out and also pick up any excess foundation. And then I'm going to take this Wet n Wild concealer. I'm just going to apply it, and then I'm going to use another brush from the set. And I really like this brush. It is very pointy and pretty dense, so it goes into like corners and everywhere, like difficult to reach places very easily. And then I'm going to take this fluffy brush and very lightly set my face. I'm basically setting the under eye area mostly, and since it's like winter time, I don't really need to set the face with powder a whole lot. Like very lightly going through it. These are some of the beautiful Coastal Scents blushes. I'm going to pick up uh, like this pinky rosy kind of a blush, and this is again a very fluffy brush I'm using it on. And then this is like a metallic, like a shimmery bronzy color, and just for like winter time I really love this color. I'm going to apply this as a bronzer all over my face, and this is an angled brush that I've picked up. And now for the highlighter, I'm using the fan brush from the same set, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. Yeah, so I'm just using this brush. This brush is actually really very nice to apply highlighter, and it just creates like a very soft look from the highlighter. This is one of my favorite brushes from the set. It just look how easy it is to do nose contour with, like to get straight lines. It is really very easy. And I'm just going to blend the nose contour off. And they also have a lot of like eye make this eyebrow brushes also in the set, but I just quickly wanted to use a pencil today. So I'm just using this Miniso pencil, but definitely have eyebrow brushes in the set as well. Moving on, I'm using this flat shader brush. It is a little bit more fluffier. I'm using Coastal Scents Hot Pots. The name and everything will be down below. And I'm just going to like apply the shade on the crease and very nicely buff it out, because the brush is pretty big and fluffy. It's very easy to blend this off. So it's like a very good brush for like one eyeshadow look if you want to do. So yeah, Coastal Scents brushes are really very good in quality and affordability as well. I'm using this cranberry shade, metallic shade, on a smaller brush from the same set. So these brushes don't necessarily have a name, like each brush doesn't have a name. It's a smaller shader brush. So I'm just going to apply the metallic eyeshadow all over my lids, and then I'm using this pencil brush. This is again an angled brush, not a pencil brush. This is an angled blending brush. I'm just deepening up my crease using that matte purple shade. Then I'm taking a blending brush. This is a cleaner blending brush just to soften up the crease area. And then on a pencil brush, I'm again taking the same cranberry eyeshadow, and on the lower lash line, and on the inner corner I'm adding a little bit of this golden eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply that a little bit on the lower lash line as well. Now again I'm taking a smudger brush, and this is like a gunmetal black shade. It's not like very very black, as you can see. I'm going to like softly apply this on like as a liner and deepening up the outer corner a little bit. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking this one from NYX. It's like a little bit of a mauvey purpley shade, going perfectly well with the look that I have going on. Applied some mascara and lashes. Those are like lashes are obviously optional, and this is like a very quick look. I did it in like 15 minutes. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Do check out Coastal Scents brushes. They're good quality brushes, and also their hot pot, their single eyeshadows. I really, really love them. I have like a big collection of those eyeshadows. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.